Back to Karen, and President William Ruto and his newfound ally Raila Odinga are currently attending the installation ceremony of the second Chancellor of the Cooperative University of Kenya, Dr. Bernard William Chitunga, at its main campus in Karen. Currently, Raila Odinga, that is the ODM party leader, is speaking. Let us cross over and listen in.
This is what is most important. And this is what can only happen if you are thinking out of the box. And therefore, I've been very, very impressed by what I've seen here this morning, what I've heard here. Let us now ensure that what is being promised here will be implemented. I'm sure if you do that, you will change this institution, and you will also change Kenya. And you will make Kenya move to where we want to go. That is Kenya, we want Kenya to move away from poverty. We had talked of 2030. We are now only 5 years away from 2030. But if we are determined, it can be done. And this is actually my message to our people. I'm happy to be here. Congratulations, Cooperative University, for what you're doing here. Thank you very much.
Amid a rising wave of femicide